How you doing, guys? This is Sam again, Expert Locksmith. We're here with Toyota Sienna 2012. We have a remote to program. As you can see, it doesn't work right now. Let me show you how. You do need a programmer for that. You cannot do it on board. And not relevant. I think it's type 4 beta. I think so. Let's see. Once you press, we need to wait a little. The remote, I did press on lock, unlock. Now we just wait. As you can see, it's thinking. The remote is headed. Okay, let's try. Close the door. Turn off the ignition and okay, let's try. Okay, and he's working. That's basically it. Thank you again, Sam, Expert Locksmith.